Inver Grove Toyota welcomes your interest in one of our great vehicles that comes equipped with tow hooks, tow package, keyless entry, air conditioning, traction control, CD player, fog lights, power windows, cruise control, heated side mirrors, and has less than 95,000 miles on the odometer. Inver Grove Toyota is committed to exceptional customer service and creating lifelong connections with our customers. We aim to make your dealership experience as smooth as possible, from the moment you set foot on our showroom floor to the moment when you drive off our lot in the vehicle that is just right for you. So give us a call or stop by Inver Grove Toyota today.